Top 5 Best Oxy Acetylene Torch Kit. Number 5. Miller Electric Oxy Acetylene Torch Kit. If you have any prior experience with professional metal joining or cutting prices, you must have come across one or two products made by Miller Electric. This brand also offers highly premium options similar to the Oxy Acetylene torch we have included here. Our next choice for the best Oxy Acetylene torch kit is the Miller Electric Oxy Acetylene Tough Cut Outfit. This is also a highly premium option which is best suited for a variety of high-end applications. It operates on acetylene fuel and features all necessary components that are essential for the metal welding and cutting process. The kit also includes a CC509P cutting attachment allowing you to get precise metal cuts in every session. The Miller Electric Oxy Acetylene Tough Cut Outfit also features a standard CW5A torch handle that is highly ergonomic and designed to offer you great levels of comfort while you are using the torch. To further ensure its applicability, Miller Electric has tested and verified the kit from both ETL and UL user standards. And since it is a premium choice, you will get almost all necessary attachments and peripherals with the pack, making it capable of operation right after unboxing. Pros tested and verified for both ETL and UL standards. Comes with a highly ergonomic handle. Comes with a long warranty period. Cons: very premium option coated to other options available in the market. Coming in number 4. Victor Technologies 03842540. Here is another great choice for the best Oxy Acetylene torch kit from the house of Victor. It is produced by VictorESAB that offers the same performance and reliability as Victor products. This Victor Technologies 03842540 is a premium choice that offers various exciting features. They operate oxygen and acetylene gas with its G351-5540 oxygen regulator and G250-15510 fuel gas regulator. The cutting capacity of this medium-duty system will range from 1/2 to 5 inches by using optional tips, and also, they can easily weld up to 5/64 inch or 1.25 inches using optional nozzles. The pack includes built-in check valves, RM grade hose 20 feet, one cutting attachment with oxygen regulator, and striker, soft-sided goggles that let you use them in various industries like general fabrication, repair and maintenance, or structural steel fabrications. This product is backed with 5 years of warranty on any manufacturing defects. Pros: medium-duty construction. Built-in check valves. Special purpose applications. G250 series regulators. One cutting attachment for all fuel gas. Cons: not an ideal option for DIY projects or casual users. Coming in number 3. Victor Technologies 0384-2691. Victor has managed to land yet another premium choice for the best Oxy Acetylene torch kit on our picks. Even though the following option is produced by VictorESAB, you will get the same reliability and performance as expected from Victor products. The Victor Technologies 0384-2691 is the best option on our picks regarding professional mass production-based application. In fact, it is the most premium choice you can find in the market right now as it offers many exciting features. The Victor Technologies 0384-2691 operates on oxygen and acetylene gas and comes with a G351-5540 oxygen regulator set as well as a G350-15300 acetylene gas regulator set. As for the cutting tip, you will find tip included with this package, which makes it much easier to cut through thick metal. With this tip, you can cut through 8 inches thick metal, making it a highly suitable option for special purpose applications as well. Even for welding, the Victor Technologies 0384-2691 supports up to 3 inches thick maximum welding thickness, which is more than triple of what other options may offer you. Pros: best option for special purpose applications. Offers best cutting and welding thickness support. Features a 2 Mauritanian Ugias 350 nozzle for a highly powerful flame. Cons: not the best option for casual users and DIY projects. Coming in number 2. Hobart Oxy Acetylene Torch Kit. Hobart is also a premium brand option which can be a great choice for routine users. The following choice from Hobart is a medium-duty Oxy Acetylene kit which is simply perfect for a wide range of applications. The Hobart 770502 is a medium-duty Oxy Acetylene kit from our picks, which might just be what you're looking for. This kit offers pretty good features for its price that assures its compatibility with a lot of applications. First of all, this is a plasma cutter that can be used for both welding as well as cutting. And since it is designed to work with acetylene fuel, you can also use your current acetylene tank with the kit with no issues. Even though the Hobart 770502 is marketed as an Oxy Acetylene kit, you can use it with a propane tank by simply changing the tips to propane torch. This is quite an affordable option compared to other options available at this budget class. As for the accessories, you will find almost everything that you will need while performing a cutting or welding operation, such as regulators, safety equipment, valves, gas hose, etc. Pros: it can be used with both acetylene as well as propane fuel. Perfect for both welding as well as cutting jobs. The kit includes a variety of accessories. Cons: considerably expensive option for a medium-duty kit. Coming in number 1. VictorESAB Oxy Acetylene Torch Kit. Victor is one of the premium brand options that we have selected for our picks. Since there is a variety of options available from Victor even for an Oxy Acetylene torch kit, we will include a few options on this list as well. In the second position, we have yet another great pick for professional applications. In fact, it is one of the most premium choices we can find for gas welding and cutting. This kit offers nearly 6 inches deep cuts in metal and 1/4 inch welding capacity with proper accessories. The 5252°F also includes ESS 32 series regulators that maintain the safety of the user while offering an optimal performance level with the kit. With the VictorESAB Victor 03842125 kit, you will also get the CA1350, which is highly preferred for metal cutting. As for the torch handle of the kit, you will be glad to know that this kit offers the WH100FC torch handle with a built-in flashback arrestor as well as check valves. There are many other accessories included with the kit, such as safety goggles, pressure regulators, gauges and much more. Pros: cutting capacity is pretty good. Comes with WH100FC torch handle. Built-in flashback and check valve on the handle. Cons: very expensive option for the given features.